morning student. This is your math class and today we are going to discuss exercise 7. Exercise 7 of chapter 1. In this we have given some desserts, and by using that desserts we have to make the greatest and smallest number. Suppose we have given desserts 5, 8, 9, 3, 4, and we have to make a number. We have to make the greatest number by using these desserts, and we have to make the smallest number by using these desserts. So if these desserts don't have 0, then when we have to form the greatest number, then we will arrange all these desserts in descending order. Okay, and when we have to make the smallest number, then what we will do, we will arrange all these desserts in ascending order. So in these desserts we don't have 0. So what we will do, when we have to make the greatest number, we will arrange these desserts in descending order. So what is descending order? In descending order, we have to first of all write the greatest number, then the greatest number among the remaining number, and so on. We have discussed it in the previous exercise. So which is the greatest dessert? 9. So we have used 9. We have 4 desserts now. Which is the greatest among these 4 desserts? 8. So we will write 8 as the next dessert. Next we have 3 desserts, 5, 3, 2. Which is the greatest dessert? 5. So we will write 5 as the next dessert. Next we have 2 desserts, 3 and 2. Which is greatest? 3. And now we have 2. We will write it as this. So this is the greatest number. Then we have to make the smallest number. When we have to make the smallest number, we have to arrange these desserts in ascending order. In ascending order, first of all, we have to write the smallest number, and after that we have to find the smallest number among the remaining desserts, and so on. Or we can say we have to find the smallest number and then we have to go upwards, or we can say we have to find the smallest number and after that we have to write the greatest number than this number, and so on. So what we will do, first of all we will find the smallest number 2. We have write 2 as the starting dessert. Next we have 4 desserts, and which is the smallest among these desserts? 3. So we will write 3 here. Next we have 3 desserts, and which is the smallest? 5. So we will write 5 here. Next we have 2 desserts, 8. Which is the smallest? 8. So we will write 8 here. Next we have 9. So now this is the smallest number that we have made by using these desserts. We have discussed the case when 0 is not included. But when we have 0 in the desserts, then how to make the smallest and greatest number. Suppose we have desserts 5, 8, 9, 1, 0. Then by using these desserts we have to make the greatest and smallest number. Greatest and smallest number. When we have to make the greatest number, then the process is same. First of all, we will find the greatest digit 9, then 8, then 5, then 1, then 0. But when we have to make the smallest number, then which is the smallest digit among these digits? 0 is the smallest. But we will not write it as the starting digit. Because if we will write it as the starting digit, then this number is of 5 digits. So we will insert this 0 in the second place from the left, or we will find the smallest number among these numbers and we will write that number first, and after that we will insert 0 as the second digit and so on. So 0 is the smallest, but we can't write 0 as the starting digit. So which is the smallest digit among all these digits? 1. So we will write 1 as the starting digit. So next we will write 0. Then which is the smallest among these digits? 5. Which is the smallest among these digits? 8. And now we have 9. So this is the smallest digit. But it means then that when we have given a 0 and we have to make the smallest number, then what we have to do? We can't write 0 as the starting digit. We have to insert it from the left at the second place. So now we are going to discuss the exercise. First question is, write the smallest and greatest five-digit number using the given digit each only once. So we have given digits and we have to use that digits only once and form the smallest and greatest number. So first is 4, 2, 9, 7, 3. Smallest number and greatest. So first, when we have to make the smallest number, then we will arrange these digits in ascending order. Which is the smallest? 2. Then after that, which is the smallest among these 4 digits? 3. Next 4. Next 7. Next 9. So this is the smallest number. And when we have to write the greatest number, we will arrange these digits in descending order. So which is the greatest digit? 9. So we will write 9 here. Now we have 4 digits and which is the greatest? 7. So we will write 7 here. Now we have 3 digits and which is the greatest? 4. So we will write 4 here. Now we have 2 digits which is the greatest? 3. And next 2. So this is the smallest number and this is the greatest number. Next B part. 1, 3, 7, 0, 9. So now when we have to write the smallest number, we should not write 0 as the starting digit. So what we will do, which is the smallest digit among these 4 digits? 1, 3, 7, 9, 1. So we will write 1 as the starting digit. Next we will insert 0. Next, which is the smallest digit? 3. So we will write 3. Next, which is the smallest digit among these two digits? 7. So we will write 7 here. And next we have 9. So when we have to make the greatest number, then which is the greatest digit? When we have to make the greatest number, then we have to arrange these digits in descending order. So first of all, we have to write the greatest digit. 9 is the greatest. Next, which is the greatest among these four digits? 7. Next, which is the greatest among these three digits? 3. Next one, next 0. C part 5, 9, 3, 1, 7. So when we have to make the smallest number, then we have to arrange them in the ascending order. So we will write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And when we have to make the greatest number, then we have to arrange these digits in descending order. So we will write this as 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. So this was all about question number 1. Next, question number 2. Write the smallest and greatest. Digit number using the given digits repeating 4 twice. So now what we have to do, we have to make the smallest and greatest number, that is of 5 digits. And what we have to do, we have to repeat 4 twice. We have to repeat 4 2 times. A part 1, 4, 2, 5. Here we have given only 4 digits, but we have to make the number that is of 5 digits. So what they have given in this statement, that we have to use 4 2 times. So now we are going to make the smallest and greatest digit. Smallest and greatest. So when we have to make the smallest, what we have to do, we have to arrange the digits in ascending order. So which is the smallest digit? 1. After that, which is the smallest digit among these digits? 2. Next, which is the smallest digit among these two digits? 4 and 5? 4. But we have to repeat 4 twice. So we will write 4 2 times. Next, 5. Next, when we have to make the greatest number, then we have to arrange these digits in descending order. or first of all we have to write the greatest digit, after that smaller than that digit, after then smaller than that digit, and so on. So which is the greatest digit? 5. Next, which is the greatest among these three digits? 4. So we will write 4, but here we have given that we have to repeat 4. Next we have 1 and 2. Which is the greatest? 2. Next 1. So this is the smallest digit and this is the greatest. Next B part. 3, 4, 0, 8. Now what we have to do, when we have to make the smallest digit, then we should not insert 0 as the starting digit, as we have discussed earlier. If we will start 0 as the starting digit, then the number is of 4 digits. But we have to make the number of 5 digits. So what we will do, we will write these digits at the second position from the left. So now we have 3 digits remaining, and which is the smallest among these digits? 3. So we will write 3 here, and after that we will write 0. After that, which is the smallest? 4 and 4 or 8, 4. So we will write 4, but we have to repeat it twice. Next we will write 8. So this is the smallest number. Next, when we have to make the greatest number, then what we have to do, we have to arrange these numbers in a descending order. So which is the greatest digit? 8. After that we have 3 digits, which is the greatest? 4. But we have to repeat 4 twice. So we will write 4 2 times. Next we have 3 and 0, which is the greatest? 3. And next we have 0. So this is the greatest digit and this is the smallest. Next C part. 9, 3, 4, 5. When we have to make the smallest, then what we will do, we will write 3 because it is smallest than 4. 2 times 4, then 5 and 9. And when we have to write the greatest digit, then we will arrange these digits in descending order. 9, 5, 4, 4, 3. So this was all about question 2. Next we are going to discuss question number 3. Form the smallest six-digit number using the digits 1, 3, 0, 5, 7 and 6, each only once. Each only once. Now what we have to do, we have given these 6 digits and we have to make the smallest 6 digits number by using these digits only once. So what we will do, first of all, we will check whether there is a 0 or not. There is a 0 in this number. So what we will do, we have 5 digits left, and which is the smallest among these 5 digits? 1. So write 1, because when we have to make the smallest number, then we have to arrange these digits in ascending order or from lower to higher. But we should not insert 0 as the starting digit, because if we will insert 0 as the starting digit, then the number is of 5 digits, but we have to make the number of 6 digits. So what we will do, we will find the smallest number among the remaining digits, and we will write that digit as the starting digit, and we will insert 0 as the next digit, or we will insert 0 in the second place from the left side. So first of all, which is the smallest? 0, but we can't write it as the starting digit. So which is the smallest among these 5 digits? 1. So we will write 1 here, and after that we will insert 0. Next, then which is the smallest? Next 3. Next, which is the smallest? 5. Next, which is the smallest? 6. Next 7. So this is the smallest number. Next is question number 4. Form the greatest six-digit number using the digits 7, 8, 9, 3 and 5, repeating 8 twice. Repeating 8 twice. Now what we have to do? We have to make the greatest 6-digit number by using these digits. But here we have only 5 digits. And what is given in the question? Repeating 8 twice. It means we have to use 8 2 times. So when we have to make the greatest number, what we have to do? We have to arrange these digits in descending order. So greatest number, which is the greatest digit? 9. So we will write 9 here. Next, which is the greatest digit? 8. And what is given in the question? That we have to write it 2 times. Next, which is the greatest? 7. Next, which is the greatest digit? 5. Next, which is the greatest digit? 3. So it means this is the 9,88,753. This is the greatest digit by using these digits and repeating 8 twice. Next, 5th question. Form the smallest (5) digit number using the digits 9, 3, and 5 using the digits 1, 3, 5 and 0. Repeating 1 twice. So now we have given 4 digits and we have to make the 5-digit number, smallest number. And what we have to do? We have to repeat 1 twice. So it means we have to use 1 at 2 times. When we have to make the smallest number, here we have 0, so we can't use it as the starting digit. We will insert it second place from the left side. And after that, what we have to do? We have to find the smallest among these 3 numbers. 1 is the smallest number among these 3 numbers. So we will write 1 as the starting number, and after that what we have to do? We have to insert 0 at the second place from the left. So we will insert 0, but in question what is given? We have to use 1 twice. So we will write 1 here also. Next, which is the smallest digit? 3, and after that we have 5. So this is the smallest 1-digit number by using the smallest 5. This is the smallest 5-digit number by using these 4 digits and repeating 1 twice. So this was all about exercise 7. In next class we will discuss exercise 8. Student, thanks and have a nice day.